As at today, no company outranks Alliance Emotion Global when it comes to network marketing. Here is an image that proves this. You can see there our CEO as the top direct selling CEO of the world 2014, and also AIM Global was awarded the #1 direct selling company in the world for 2015, and also in 2016 AIM Global won this award for 2 consecutive years. Here are images of various awards won by this company across the world. We have the Asia Pacific Award, Consumer Choice Award, and various awards that this company has won worldwide. What does AIM Global do? AIM Global has a fast-growing food business chain in over 200 countries. Alliance Emotion Global markets nutritional supplements and food supplements. We have beverages and some other products. That's what AIM Global markets. The basic thing is AIM Global markets products that are made 100% from plants. Our products are organic food supplements and they are manufactured by Nature's Way in the USA. So the products are manufactured in the USA. They are very good products, high quality products, and our products have halal and kosher approval. So if you're a Muslim or you're a Jew, this product is good for you. You don't have any problem with our product. Our product have the halal and kosher approval. If you want to know more about our product, you can check my website at allianceemotion.com.ng/product. Full details of our products are available on the website. So let's get into this business. How do you get paid daily without buying and selling? You see, in AIM Global, you make money every day without buying and selling. In this business, you don't have to buy or sell anything to earn. This is a very good business. Nobody is forcing you to buy or sell anything to make money from this business. Why do we do this business? We have 7 reasons why most people do this business. You only require a one-time purchase. Once you are registered for life. You are not paying anything again. Then it's a daily pay. This is not a salary. This is not a job. So you make money every day. Any money you make today, you can get your money today. So this is not a salary, it is best. Then you also enjoy free international trips. You have travel trips to Europe, Asia, and various parts of the world. And selling is not a must. In this business, you don't have to sell anything to make money. No auto-ship. And you're allowed to have multiple accounts. Can't you see that this is a great business? So how do you make money from this business? Let me share with you how we earn in this business. There are various ways by which you earn in this business, and the first one is the retailing. The retailing allows you to earn from buying and selling of products, and you enjoy a 25% lifetime discount on retailing. I won't be talking much on that. Let's move to the second one, which is the referral bonus. Now we have the referral bonus, direct referral bonus of 5,000 naira. When you register as a member, you are required to introduce people to this business. So when you join, look at the image there, that is you. And then you bring 2 people, Mr. A and Mr. B. The company will pay you a direct referral bonus of 5,000 naira for each of them, making a total of 10,000 naira from the 2 of them that you brought. Now, once you get this bonus, the company will also divide your group into 2. You have the left group and the right group, and you get your pairing bonus of 9,600. So for one person on your left and one person on your right, remember Mr. A on your left, Mr. B on your right, then you get a bonus of 9,600. That's the pairing bonus, which gives you a total of 19,600. Now Mr. A brings 2 people, A1 and A2. He gets his own bonus also. Mr. B brings 2 people, B1 and B2. He will get his own bonus also. Now you that you are at the top, that you brought Mr. A, the first person, and the second person, you get your bonus of 9,600, another 9,600. So take note, one person to the left, one person to the right will always make you 9,600. Now looking at the calculation left, that gives you a total of 38,800. As more people are joining on your left and more people are registering on your right, when more people are joining to the left, more people are joining to the right, the company is paying you a bonus of 9,600. You just keep earning the 9,600, and you can earn up to 153,000 per day in this business. And the best part of it is this business, there is no buying and selling. You can make this money without buying and selling. No maintenance is required, no auto ship, no time frame, and there is daily payout. The daily payout means that if you make 100,000 today, you can request for your money today. You don't have to wait to the end of the month to get your money. If you make 1 million naira today, you can tell them, I want my 1 million naira today, and you'll be paid your money. That is the benefit of AIM Global. Let's look at a scenario here. This is you that you're registering, and then you bring Ada. And after you brought Ada, you brought Obi also from you. Then for bringing Ada and Obi, you will be paid a bonus of 9,600. Now, Ada brings John. You don't even know John. Obi brings David. You don't know David. But because John is under Ada, David is under Obi, and they are still all under your network, the company will still pay you 9,600 for the two of them. Then John brings Faith. David brings Eze. You don't know Faith and you don't even know Eze. But because they are still under your chain, they're in your network, the company will still pay you 9,600 for the two of them. Now let's look at another scenario here. This is you. This is me. Okay, this is me right here. And then I register you. That is you on my left. The other person on my right is Sarah. So now for registering you, when I registered you, you brought Ada in. Ada joins there. And then you are unable to bring someone. Then from me at the top there, I brought Obi and I placed Obi under your other side, your other leg. So Obi now is under you from me. Now for Ada and Obi, you still get paid your 9,600. Even though you didn't bring Obi, I was the one that placed Obi under you. But because Obi is still under your network, you still get paid your 9,600. When Ada brings John and Obi brings David, you may not know John and David, you still earn your 9,600 naira. Now John brings Faith and David brings Eze. You may not know them, you still earn your 9,600. You see, so as more people are joining left and right, you are earning your income. And in this business, it is an instant pay. Immediately they register, you see your money. There is no time frame, there is no maintenance, there is no auto ship. Can you see that this is a very great business? It's a cool business, it's a passive income business. So whether you work or not, as long as the people under you, they are registering people, you are getting paid your commission. And we have four more ways to win. We have the uni-level bonus, the step bonus, the royalty income, and profit share. I won't talk much on this. These are just additional ways of making some more money in this business. Now, how do you get started? How do you get on board Alliance Emotion Global? To get on board, you only need to make a one-time purchase of your desired business package and request for the corresponding income plan that comes with it. In this year, January 2017, we have an upgraded marketing plan across the world. And right now, this is the latest marketing plan for Alliance Emotion Global. So to get on board, you can start with our global package, which costs 70,000 naira. That's a full package which costs 70,000 naira. And when you join with 70,000 naira, you get a product package worth 73,000 naira. So what you get in return is worth more than your money. And with this package, you can earn up to 7.1 million annually. Can you see this is great? So this package is 70,000 naira, and you'll be given product, combination of different products that is worth your money back. But if you can't afford this, we have another package which we call the associate package. The associate package costs 38,000 naira, and when you join with this, you become an associate of AIM Global. This is not a full package, it's an associate pack. But when you join with the associate pack, you can upgrade later to the full package. So if you can't pay the 70,000 naira for the full package at once, you can come on board with the associate pack of 38,000 naira. And of course, you get product worth more than your money back with the associate pack. So what will you get when you join AIM Global? You get variety of products worth more than your money. You get a business kit, a kit that gives you details of what the product is all about. You get an online tracking center. Our online tracking center is where you log in online to view your account and your income. You have access to training and resources, and you get a lifetime international business. This business is an international business. If you register in Nigeria and you move to Ghana, you can still do your business at our office in Ghana. If I'm in Nigeria right now, if I go to Kenya, I can go to our office in Kenya and I'll still do my business. If I go to Uganda, I can do my business at our Uganda office without any problem. So this is an international business. So here are some pictures of people that have earned and acquired vehicle from this business. You can see these are some of our successful distributors. And also here I am here. I'm also a car achiever in this business. A car achiever means I've done this business, I've made enough money, and I've bought myself a car. So I'm not just a random guy that is trying to get money from me. I'm actually making money from this business. That's me right there holding the Alliance key when I was launching my car at the office. Here's another picture of me launching my car at the office. You can see me there with the managers and other people at the office of Alliance Emotion Global. Here are some screenshot of credit alert from various members of my team who have made money from this business. So my friend, are you ready to join the right team today? I will encourage you to come on board now and join my team, and let's push this business together. I believe if you join today, in the next 1 year, you'll be glad you made the decision to join AIM Global. So if you are wondering how to get this done, and what if you don't know two people well, here's my promise to you. I will help you and share ideas with you for getting as many people as you want without begging anyone. I'll give you quality tools and resources that you need, slides, videos, PDF, everything you need to help you make this business easy, and you get ongoing training and support. So my friend, I've just presented to you the same opportunity that has changed many lives and our lives around the world. A lot of people have achieved success from this business, and I hope you too will get on board. I believe this is what you have been waiting for. Don't waste any time.